Artificial intelligence has changed our daily lives. The next frontier of AI is the human language. Typewise is at the forefront of this revolution, on a mission to decode human thoughts. It has created the fastest growing keyboard app globally, with over 1.2 million downloads so far. But this is just the beginning.
Every day, we spend about 7.5 hours interacting with our digital technology. The problem is that the keyboard that we use every day was created in the 19th century for typewriters and is inherently slow and error-prone. With our AI text prediction technology, we can double or even triple the productivity of hundreds of millions of people every single day.
The company's first product is a next-generation smartphone keyboard app. They've redesigned the keyboard for the way people type on their phones. Unlike the legacy QWERTY layout, which was designed for 10-finger typing on mechanical typewriters almost 150 years ago, Typewise's patented hexagonal keyboard and world-class autocorrect AI lead to 4 times fewer typos and faster typing. It also detects different languages automatically, learns slang and dialects, and has 100% privacy built in. All this puts Typewise ahead of the standard smartphone keyboards and has won them multiple awards.
Under the hood, we use an advanced AI technology which predicts what you want to type. It uses a lot of different information like what you typed before, what word combinations you used, what languages, and where you hit the keys.
Typewise values privacy because what you type is personal. Unlike existing solutions, Typewise's algorithms work completely on-device. To develop this groundbreaking technology, Typewise is supported by top engineers from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, as well as global players such as Microsoft and NVIDIA. And this technology is set to become yet more powerful.
First, we want to bring our advanced AI technology from the smartphone to the desktop, so that you can benefit everywhere from the smart predictions and no typos. We believe that in the future, it's all about combining voice and the keyboard. So the AI knows what you said or wrote before to improve the predictions.
I'm a serial entrepreneur and I founded 3 software companies. 2 of them have become 100 million plus valuated companies, and the third one I just started last year. I invested in Typewise because I think their technology is really innovative, and I think current smartphone keyboards are just horrible. It really needs innovation there, and Typewise is in the right place at the right time.
Building on this momentum, Typewise is negotiating licensing agreements across various industries. This will bring their technology to tens of millions of users and drive substantial revenues.
For investors, it's a great time to join us. We're about to dramatically accelerate our growth, and this B2B licensing model has a massive potential. The market is expected to reach $15 billion by 2025. And with our privacy-friendly AI technology, we have a strong right to win.
Typewise is changing our lives by making interaction with our technology seamless and secure. Become part of their mission to decode human thoughts.
We look forward to have you on board.